How did Elon Musk make it this big? Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. From early on, he had interest in computers. He taught himself how to program and sold his first software at the age of 12. He was introverted and was bullied until he was 15. So he learned how to defend himself with karate and wrestling. After he completed his bachelor's and master's degree from University of Pennsylvania, he headed to Stanford University in California to pursue a PhD in engineering physics. To pursue his dream, Elon Musk dropped out of Stanford just 2 days after joining it to launch his first company, Zip2, with his brother Kimball Musk. Just 4 years after starting his company, Compaq Computers bought Zip2 for $307 million. After creating his first company in 1999, Elon went on to create X.com, an online financial payment company. 3 years after creating the company in 2002, X.com was acquired by eBay as PayPal as we know it today. This deal with eBay made Musk a billionaire. Before the sale, Elon Musk owned 11% of PayPal stock. Just after he sold his second company, he went on to create his third company, known as SpaceX, with hopes to send humans to Mars. With the unique engineering designs, Elon Musk and his team at SpaceX created the first reusable rocket known as Falcon. After which in 2012, SpaceX made a deal with NASA to send its rockets to ISS for regular supplies. In March 2017, SpaceX saw the successful test flight and landing of a Falcon 9 rocket made from reusable parts, trying to make space travel more affordable. They achieved another milestone in February 2018 with the successful test launch of powerful Falcon Heavy rocket. In late March 2018, SpaceX received permission from the US government to launch a fleet of satellites into lower orbit for the purpose of providing internet service. The satellite network mission Starlink would make broadband service more accessible in rural areas. For the Starlink project, SpaceX launched the first batch of 60 satellites in 2019, followed with another payload of 60 satellites that November. Musk is the co-founder and CEO at Tesla Motors, a company formed in 2003 dedicated to make affordable electric cars. He oversees all product development, engineering and design of the company's products. 5 years after its formation, Tesla unveiled Roadster, a sports car capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. In April 2017, Tesla announced it surpassed General Motors to become the most valuable US car maker. The Model 3 was officially launched in March 2019, priced at $35,000 after production delays. However, the company is still having production problems. Elon Musk started another company devoted to boring and building tunnels in order to reduce street traffic, known as the Boring Company. The project is ongoing in Los Angeles after a deal with the TBC in May 2019. With all the great inventions, Musk has also been involved in many other projects like Hyperloop, OpenAI, and others. He has also been involved in non-profit work towards the Musk Foundation, which is dedicated to space exploration and the discovery of renewable and clean energy sources. Talking about his personal life, he is currently dating musician Grimes and they recently gave birth to a baby boy on May 4th. The news went viral as they named their baby X-A12 and it quickly spread all across the internet. Elon Musk is working to revolutionize transportation both on Earth and in space. He has been given the title of real-life Tony Stark, which is why he served as an inspiration for Marvel's 2008 Iron Man film. The journey to become a billionaire is very hard and hasn't been smooth for him. From getting bullied as a child to becoming one of the most successful men in technology. His astounding success has given rise to comparisons of Musk and Steve Jobs, Henry Ford, and Bill Gates. He is the perfect example for growing out of the fear in life. Even after all the difficulties, he worked relentlessly to what he is today. He is known to work as many as 80 to 100 hours per week. His success can be contributed to his tenacious, single-minded vision. His work is always inspiring for the people working in tech and space industry. What do you like the most about Elon Musk? Do let us know in the comments below and make sure to like and subscribe. If you are interested in this kind of videos, check out our channel for more.